What's up everyone, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and initial review on a new product that I purchased recently. This product I first saw on a couple of videos from the Southeast Adventure Expo, which is called the SAVE. It's an event that's been held here annually for the past few years, couple years. It's held here in Florida. It is basically a Southeast Overland Expo. It's growing every year after year, year over year, and I was not able to attend this current year, but I am looking to attend for next year. There's more vendors each year, so it's you get to see a variety of different type of vendors that cater to the overland community or off-road community, car camping, van life type of stuff. So this product I saw on a video and it caught my eye, and it was actually something that I kind of was wondering if it existed, and sure enough, after seeing this video, I saw it. And the reason I was interested in something like this is I tend to, when I drive either on long trips or on the trails, I like to keep my arm on the door panel as like an armrest. I always thought if there's something there to make it more comfortable, but then I saw this product, it automatically caught my eye, and it's called Primo Workz. That's the name of the company, and they specialize on these armrests that you can, I guess, attach or hang on your existing door panel. So a lot of their pictures and videos on their Instagram and their YouTube shows their armrest on newer vehicles, and obviously a lot of the newer vehicles have a thicker door panel, and my concern was how well this would fit on my 98 Montero, which the older cars have a less thick door panel. They messaged me pretty quickly and assured me that yeah, it would work, and they even sent me a picture of like a 70 series Land Cruiser, which had even an even more thinner door panel than my Montero, and it showed their product on there, and it looked perfectly good. It looked okay. Looks like it was still functional like it was supposed to do, and pretty much I was sold after that. So I went on their website, checked what they have. They have armrests for both passenger and driver side, and they have different variations and different colors. There's some variations where it just has a storage pocket. They have one with where you can keep a tumbler and storage and a little pocket to put like a phone or something like that. I got one for the tumbler on the driver's side. What we're going to do is actually unbox it and show you the product, and I'll give you my initial impressions of it, and then we're going to go ahead and slap it on the Montero and see how it looks on it. Go from there. So here we go. Open it up. Little card here, basically telling you how to fit this on your particular door panel. Obviously it's designed to fit different vehicles, so like there it says all doors are different, please bend your armrest as shown to properly fit your vehicle. And there's the company, Primo Workz, information, their website, email, barcode, yeah, and then here's the product. That's it right there. So this is what I got. This is supposed to hold a tumbler. I'm going to see if it fits one of my tumblers that I use. It has a pocket here, and then another pocket here for storage. From the videos and website, it's the metal here is a stainless steel piece, and like I said, you should be able to bend it, and this is the part that actually goes on the door panel, sits on the door panel, and then this is a padded right here. It's good thickness. It's about, I would say, about ½ inch of thickness. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this, put this on the Montero door panel, and get it to fit and see how it looks. So we're gonna go ahead and fit it in. I'm not gonna do any adjustments. I'm gonna try to put it on as is, how I got out of the box. So it's you would have to put it on, I guess, this lip on this door panel here. As you can see, it is not sitting like flat, it's on an angle. So what you would have to do, and from the directions, you just have to bend this plate. So we're gonna bend it a little bit. That's about right. That looks a lot better. It's much more flat. It wasn't an angle like before. So as you can see, the Primo Workz Armrest fits in this groove right here on your door panel. This is where the actual glass comes up, and then this is pretty much the lip of the door panel that meets the I guess the front of this door sill right here. So it just goes, slips in right there. Once it's in there, I mean, I can close and open the door with no problem with it. What I'm going to try to do is see it roll up the window. I don't know if it's going to affect rolling up the window. Normally when I'm on the trails, I do have my windows down, but I also keep my windows up, and I like to have this on long trips when it's especially hot or whatever. You want to have your windows up with the AC. So I'm going to test it out to see if there's any issues bringing up the window with the armrest on. There might be an issue because I can see right here, but we're going to give it a shot. Yep, no problem. Let's see if I can put the window up. So yeah, obviously if the window's down, it hits these flaps right here. But when the window's up, you can still fit in the slot, and it's pretty much it stays there. I'm not sure on every vehicle, but obviously on the Montero, you can see it will work with the windows up and down. So I'm gonna try to put the windows down. The only issue is when it goes up because of these flaps, to be honest. Oh, didn't have an issue there. So I have the pockets here, so you can store stuff in here. I don't know, change, whatever you want. Put your cell phone in here. Put my over here, and you can put different drinks. So we're gonna test what different drinks, what type of bottles can fit in here. Water bottle fits. Soda fits. My Owala tumbler fits kind of tight. My Mitsubishi tumbler fits not as tight. So there it is. That is the armrest, door armrest from Primo Workz. This is the one I purchased. If you visit their website, they have different styles and colors for whatever you like. Different features too. Like I said, this is the one I got. It has the bottle holder, little storage pouch, and the storage, zipper storage here. There's ones with just one big pouch, and I believe there's some other ones. They have different colors, and like I said, they have it both for driver and passenger side. So whatever you like, definitely check out their website and to see what you like. These are like going for like 48 bucks, 50 bucks. It's definitely worth it. It is a very good quality piece. The materials here do not look cheap. Stitching does not look janky. The padding here is very thick. I would have to put some time to use it to see how comfortable it is, but I could pretty much see or tell that this will be a lot better than putting my hand directly on the door panel. But yeah, I thought I'd go ahead and just do an unboxing and initial impressions of this product. And if this is something that you've been looking for, look no further. They have it here at Primo Workz. Great product. Look forward to using this when I go on some trips or on some trails, and hopefully this will work for you. So thanks again for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.